Hi, today we are going to explore the WordPress blog theme. Let's begin mastering the WordPress blog theme hierarchy. As a designer, understanding the structural DNA of your website is the difference between a messy site and a professional brand. Today, we are going to master the WordPress blog theme hierarchy so you can build with confidence. So let's begin with the mind map of the WordPress blog theme. WordPress blog theme consists of three major parts, which are content types, design hierarchy, and system benefits. Content types. There are two content types, pages and posts. Expert site organization starts with knowing your content types. In blog themes, everything is built with blogs, but we still use two main categories. Pages. These are for your static, timeless content that stays consistent, like an about or services page. Because they are blog based, you have the total freedom to construct unique layouts for every individual page. Don't worry, we will demonstrate it on our live WordPress website. But for the time being, just bear it with me and try to understand the mind map. Posts. These are dynamic and time-based, meant for news or blog updates. They appear in reverse chronological order, newest first, and use categories and tags to keep your site's navigation intuitive for your users. We will also demonstrate it on our live website. Let's go for the main topic of our today's session, which is design hierarchy of the blog WordPress theme. To maintain a consistent visual language, you need to understand the hierarchy from the smallest building unit to the total framework. So let's begin with the blocks. The foundational building units, this includes everything from simple paragraph and images to complex parent containers like columns and galleries. We will demonstrate this on our live website. Block patterns. These are pre-designed arrangements of blocks. Instead of rebuilding a testimonial or a call to action area from scratch, you insert a pattern to save time and ensure brand consistency. For the template parts, these are reusable sections with specific semantic meanings, primarily your headers, footers, and sidebars. Edit them once in the site editor and they update everywhere. For the templates define the overall structure for your page and post types. They determine the layout for specific content, like how a single blog post looks compared to an archive page, by incorporating your template parts. Theme. The theme is the overarching design framework. It encompasses all your templates, patterns, and styles, define the total look, feel, and behavior of your entire WordPress site. Now let's dive into the third part, which is system benefits. The power of this hierarchy is its flexibility, because you can customize at any level, from a single text style to the entire theme. You can ensure your site reflects your brand perfectly throughout every page. By mastering these terms, you are not just building a website, you are implementing a professional design system. If you are ready to dive deeper into the site editor, this is our live site on which we will demonstrate all of the contents of the mind map. So here I have a blog page as an index page of this live site. Now let's go to the edit side. Here is our navigation pane. Currently it is showing me the templates. Here is our design. From here you can see we have 5 options: styles, navigations, edges, templates, and patterns. Alright, so let's start with the first element of the block theme, which is simple elements of single blocks like this one. Let me demonstrate it to you. I am going to home page and clicking on the edit. Let me change the view, preview. Alright, so here we have a title, and after that I want to add an element of the paragraph, let's say, and let's say I type something. This one is a simple paragraph block. Okay, so there are multiple blocks you can explore by clicking on this plus icon. Underneath that it is showing add block. Just click on it and you can choose from browse all or by searching here what you want, and just click on that element and it will be attached to your page or blog post. Okay, so this is a single block. Now let's go for the block patterns. The plus icon from the top, or you can also click on this and search for the pattern, and by clicking on the browse all, this pane will again open. These are all the block patterns. Okay, by clicking on the patterns it will also display me the same thing because I have searched the pattern keyword. So let me clear it, and these are all of the patterns that I can choose from and insert it into my page. So let me insert the about section and choosing the template from the available options. So I am choosing this one. Just click on that. Okay, let me close it, and here you can see our single block pattern is appeared on our website. Now if I want to edit this, I can do that clicking on anywhere that I want to change. If I want to add more text or remove, we can just add it on our block pattern. Okay, so this was a single block pattern. Block pattern consists of multiple blocks. Like this is an image, and this is another image, and this is a paragraph, and above it we have the button. Okay, now let's explore what are the template parts. So in this tab we will click and search for the template parts. Here are go to templates parts. These are all of our template parts, which consist of the footer and header and sidebar. These three positions or these three elements of a template or a theme are called template parts. You just design it or edit it once and it will reflect on all of the pages where you have edited it. Okay, so these was our template parts. So now let's explore what's remaining, which is templates. So what are the templates? Template is a basically design of a single page, like your archive page or index page or 404 page, that you can design and use their templates on another page or a new page that you will create in the future with the same layout. Now what's remaining is the theme part. So again, go into the dashboard and go for the appearance and then themes. Here you will find the theme that you have installed on your site. So basically theme consists of all of the parts that we have discovered recently, which are block patterns, template parts, templates. Alright, hope you have found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one. Bye bye.